Legionella can grow in building water systems, cooling towers, fountains, and plumbing networks. Accurate testing starts with proper sample collection. In this video, we'll show you how to collect water and swab samples correctly, while avoiding common mistakes that can affect results. Before you begin, organize your sterile bottles, swabs, labels, gloves, chain of custody form, and cooler. Use only supplies provided by the laboratory.
Label every bottle and swab tube before collecting the sample. This helps prevent mix-ups and rework.
Water sample bottles may contain a disinfectant neutralizer, such as sodium thiosulfate. Do not rinse the bottle, and keep it sterile. Open the sterile bottle carefully and fill it to the indicated fill line. Avoid splashing and do not create aerosols during collection. Do not touch the inside of the bottle or the inside of the cap. Once filled, secure the cap immediately.
Never place the cap on a countertop or any other surface. Keep it in your hand or on a clean, protected area.
Swab samples are collected from areas where biofilm can form, including faucet aerators, shower heads, cooling tower surfaces, and storage tanks. When required, remove the aerator or shower head and swab the internal surface. Rotate the sterile swab while covering the sample area.
Biofilm can be one of the best places for Legionella to grow, so targeting these surfaces can improve detection.
Avoid touching the inside of bottles, caps, or swabs. Also, do not collect only water samples when swab samples are needed.
For many investigations, collecting both water and swab samples gives a more complete picture.
Collect a single non-sterile grab sample from the tap or location, separate from the Legionella culture bottle. Measure both temperature and pH from this same portion. After collection, place sealed and labeled samples in a cooler with ice packs. Keep samples between 2 and 8 degrees Celsius and ship them promptly.
Keep samples cold, but do not freeze them. Freezing affects sample quality and will invalidate results.
Record the exact outlet, water type, collection time, and flushing status on the chain of custody form.
For sample bottles, swab kits, or technical guidance, contact IRIS Environmental Laboratories. You can also download the technical guidance PDF on the IRIS website.